everybody, welcome to another day. Now we're getting ready to head to SeaWorld to try the new Pipeline Rollercoaster. Come join us!
Until this weather passes, site instructors are around to answer any questions.
Inclement weather coming in. We're gonna have to ask you to get off here right now.
Well, we were about to get on the ride and normal weather in Florida, there's lighting in the area, so now we have to wait, see if we can get on. Alright, well, we tried to ride the roller coaster. We got on, strapped, and weather came in, so we had to get off the ride. We waited for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, a minute. We waited a little bit and we weren't able to get in. So we decided to come to this secret place we never seen before. It's a stage it's like a dining show experience, but there's no show happening, so we got some food and now waiting until the weather will pass. Let's see if we can get in. That's the stage. We don't know what they do there, but you can see tables. We got some food, chicken nuggets, fries, pickle. Say hi, Rover. That's Rover. And now he's gonna wait. Stay tuned.
2 hours later.
Rover. Yeah, that was fun. One more time. We did it. Do you like it, Rover?
Good.
It was good. We got to do it twice, almost 3 times. First time you saw in the previous video, it started raining. Got to do it one time, kind of intense. I'm 6'2", 6'2.5", so I still have some space on my feet there. It was a lot of fun. So hope you enjoyed the video. Well, that was a lot of fun. We got to ride Mako and the new roller coaster twice. Hope you enjoyed the video for today. Go ahead, like and subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.